Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Of late, among the kitchen gadgets, air fryers have gained plenty of traction in India in the last few years. The key element that has contributed to its astronomical success is its ability to cook a variety of food in minimal or almost no oil. Deep frying with almost no oil looks unreal and it is easy to get skeptical about the taste. But over the years, air fryers have been appreciated by their users for their abilities. In today's video, I will talk about a great addition to my kitchen, my Nutricook Air Fryer. Let's get started. How do they work? The working principle is basic yet effective. Heat generated at top is circulated via a fan. Perforated trays and compact size traps the heat for even cooking. The end result of cooking or reheating in an air fryer easily leaves the regular microwave behind. Simply because of its ability to maintain the same crisp without deep frying and very limited usage of oil. When I wanted to buy one for myself, after some research I finalized this air fryer by Nutricook. When shopping for air fryers, the most important feature to consider is size. This is 5.5 liters capacity, which is good for family of 4. It comes in 3.6 liters as well, which is a compact size and good for 1 to 2 people. Also, the detachable fry basket is square in shape, so it holds more food as compared to the round fry baskets in some other air fryers in the market. The stainless steel finish and sleek design will add to the aesthetics of your kitchen. The Nutricook Air Fryer too has several high-tech features that make cooking easier. Its smart temperature technology automatically adjusts the temperature to make everything super crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. A preheat function also helps save cooking time and enhances the texture of the food. Its 10 preset menu options enable you to choose the right mode at the right time. You can choose options from baking, steaming, fry, etc. The display of the Nutricook Air Fryer has a handy shake reminder to let you know when to shake the contents for an even fry. It also pauses frying when the basket is removed during the cooking process. Now let's see how it works. Whatever you want to cook, just brush some oil on the tray first. Now let's see how I've made fish fry in this. I marinated the pieces of fish and placed them on the frying tray. Added little oil on the top as well for crispiness. I have used fish from the preset menu and switched it on. And in 8 minutes, delicious fish fry is ready. Same way I tried making Paneer Tikka in this. And believe me, I never had such tasty and crispy Paneer Tikka with just a few drops of oil. It can air fry French fries with very little oil and you can eat them anytime guilt-free. It also gives you a reminder to shake the fries for even frying, which is a very helpful feature. And in just a few minutes, crispy, tasty fries will be ready to be served. It can also fry yummy samosas with very little oil. The samosas are crispy but oil-free. Great option for health-conscious people. You may feel some difference in taste, but that is just because everything is made in very less oil. Pakoras are difficult to make as it can't air fry very liquidy or runny consistency. I tried it and see the dough got stuck in the holes of the frying basket and made the whole process very messy. But if you still want to try, lay a piece of aluminium foil on the basket first. Leave some space from the sides for air to circulate. Make thick dough for pakoras and now with the help of a spoon, make small balls and place them on the foil. Use any frying preset menu. Don't go for the exact timings and keep checking in between. Most of the time the food is prepared ahead of time, so keep monitoring it. Pakoras are ready without any mess, but you won't get the same taste of fried pakoras. It's more on the drier side due to thick dough. This air fryer is great for roasting as well. Like I roasted peanuts in just 4 to 5 minutes. Same way you can roast dry nuts and veggies. It can also toast bread. I tried making garlic bread in this and it was out of the world. And because its tray is large and square in shape, I could easily accommodate 4 slices in one go, which is such a time-saving feature. It also has a bake option and you can literally bake almost anything in this. You can bake yummy crispy pizzas for your kids in just few minutes and they taste so good. Even cakes can be baked without much effort. Just use the preset menu and press the cake option. Delicious and soft cake will be ready in no time. Like this, you can literally make many delicious recipes in an air fryer without using oil or very little oil. Let me know in the comment section if you wish to see a video on what other recipes can be made in an air fryer. The basket is very easy to clean with regular dish liquid and it is also dishwasher safe. Let's come to the cost part. There are a lot of brands available in the market and the price varies from 5,000 to 10,000 for a good air fryer. This air fryer from Nutricook costed me somewhere around rupees 8,000 from Amazon during sale, which is definitely on the costlier side, but its performance and looks outweigh the cost. I've been using it for last 9 months and quite happy with it. That's all about this video. If you're looking for a multi-purpose kitchen gadget which can fry, bake, roast and toast quickly, then opting for an air fryer is a good idea. It's definitely a great addition to my kitchen and helps me make yummy healthy recipes in no time. There are plenty of brands who make air fryer these days. Whichever brand is your favorite, do look for the specifications I have mentioned in the beginning of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.